How to fix Twitter login error. So if you're facing a problem with Twitter's login, then first you need to open up your Play Store, go for the search, and then search for Twitter. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you've searched, you will have an update option instead of this open option. So if you have an update option, simply go for the update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply search for Twitter and then tap and hold on to that Twitter application for 2 to 3 seconds and then go for app info. And under your app info here, you will have storage and cache. You can simply tap on clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go for clear storage and you can clear your data. Once you've cleared your data, you can simply again log back into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply go back and then you can now restart your device. So once you've done all of these settings, you can simply restart your device. And once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the fixes on Twitter login. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.